What does it mean to consume cannabis consciously?
Cleanliness. Look for ethically produced cannabis grown with organic, regenerative methods.
Composition of the cannabis plant itself is important. Go beyond indica and sativa. Get to know cannabinoid and terpene profiles and their benefits for you.
Consider set and setting. Where are you? What are you doing? Who are you with? What's the purpose of your consumption?
Cannaisseurship. Appreciate all that went into this medicine, its taste, smell, feel, and how it enhances your everyday life. Creation, inspiration, relaxation, reflection.
What does the heightened you want to make of this experience?
Enjoy the elevated experience that is Swami Select.